All right, everybody, Mrs. Batchelor here. We're just going to do a quick how to submit your weekly practice challenges. Now, a couple things we ran into today. Kids, you need to know how to log in. I have zero access to your accounts. I don't know your passwords. That's the thing you guys need to know. Also, it's your device. You need to know how to use the camera on it. The school iPads, I could help you with. Everything else, I'm sorry, I don't speak all of the different computer languages. So if you didn't know how to use your camera, please check with your families on how to do that. You need to know where to find two specific places, Google Drive and Google Classroom. And you need to be a part of the Google Classroom, which should have already been done today. And you need to know how to access the internet on your device. So if you aren't getting the internet at school, please talk to your homeroom teacher because they can help you do that. Now I'm going to give you guys this handout, but there's basically 4 steps to it. You have to find out what the assignment is. You then need to record it. Then you need to upload it to Google Drive and change the sharing permissions. And then you can submit it to Mrs. Batchelor on the form that's included on your Google Classroom. So let's just go over some of that real quick. If I'm at your Google Classroom, we'll go to Band 6. Remember, the stream is not your friend. Go to classwork. So every week it'll be posted under weekly practice challenges. You're going to open this. You're going to click view instructions. You're going to read what you need to do. And then you're going to minimize, get rid of it, and go to your camera for step 2. Because now we know what we need to do. So we're going to go to step 2. We're going to record the assignment. You're going to do that on your camera. It's going to automatically save somewhere on your device. If you don't know where it's saving to, you need to figure that out before you get too far, because next step you're going to need to know where the heck it went. So once you have made your video, pretend I just recorded myself, I'm then going to go and log into my Google Drive. Oops, I'm already into something here. Sorry, guys. So go into my Google Drive, and I'm going to go to New. I'm going to go to File Upload, and I'm going to find the video that I created, and I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click Open. It's then going to upload onto my computer, and you'll see a little upload screen down here. Once it's uploaded, next step is to open it. And you want to go over here to this button that says Share. People with access, you'll probably see me there because I'm your teacher. But the important part is down here under General Access. You want to make sure that it's at least Rocky View Schools, if not anyone with link, so that I can view it. This one's anyone with link because it's a video I shared with parents in the past. And that's all you need to do from that. So you can now close your Google Drive and go back to your Google Classroom. You're going to go to the assignment. You're going to open the form. You're going to fill in your details, what your last name is, then your first name. Then you're going to click Add File. Choose your file. It's going to have a little thing pop up. You're going to choose it, and you're simply going to submit it. Congratulations, you've done the whole task. Now, if your parents want to know that you've handed things in, you're then going to go back to Google Classroom, and up in this corner where mine says due September 30th, you're going to have a little button that says Turn In. Just click that. Okay, that tells your parents that that's what you've done. Now, let's talk about a couple of the problems real quick that some people were running into today. And they were getting an error message that something about the file that they were trying to upload was too big. Now, Mrs. Batchelor's gone in and changed the settings around, so that should not be an issue any longer. But if it is in the future, here's what you do. You go back to your video in Google Drive, right? I'm in Google Drive. I open my video. I go to Share, like I did for changing permissions, but this time I'm going to select Copy Link. Then I'm going to go back to my assignment on Weekly Practice Challenge. And in this corner up here where it says Turn In, there's also a button that says Create. You're going to click on that. You're going to choose Link. You're going to copy and paste your link right in there, and then you're going to hit Submit. Then I will have it. It's not ideal, but it is going to get you the information, and I'm going to be able to know I have it on time, and you're not going to get marked late for having it handed in late. It's going to be there. So, in a nutshell, what do we need to do with our lives? We need to find out what we're doing and then video it. We need to upload it to the Google Drive so that it has access, or so that Google Classroom can have it. You need to change your sharing permissions so that Mrs. Batchelor can watch it. Then you need to go to your Google Classroom and submit it in the form, and you're done. All right? If any of these things down here are things that you don't know how to do, talk to your parents, talk to your homeroom teachers, and if they still can't help you, then come talk to me. All right? But it's your device. You need to know how to operate it, right? Your parents should be able to help you. They purchased it for you. There's lots of tutorials online for everything from Android, iPhone. I've even had kids submit these on their smartwatches over the years. So there's ways to make it happen. The dog can't eat your homework. We'll get it in somehow. But if you're having trouble, please email me, and I will try and help you as quickly as I can. Looking forward to watching all your videos.